Demystifying the step function, a neural network's on-off switch for dummies. Imagine you're a pizza delivery robot learning to recognize houses. You see a bunch of pixels on your camera, but how do you decide if it's a house or not? That's where the step function comes in. It's like a super simple switch that helps your robot brain make decisions. Think of it like this. You see a bunch of pixels that kind of look like a house. Let's call this value x. The step function takes this x and compares it to a threshold. Think of the threshold as a minimum score you need to reach to call something a house. If x is bigger than the threshold, the step function goes, bing bong, that's a house, and outputs a 1. But if x is smaller than the threshold, the function shrugs and says, nope, not a house, and outputs a 0. Here's why it's useful. It helps the robot make clear-cut decisions. Either house, 1, or not house, 0. No more, maybe, houses. It's super simple, making it easy for the robot brain to understand and handle. It's like a building block for more complex decisions. By combining lots of step functions, the robot can learn to recognize different things, like cars, cats, or even your grandma's house. But remember, the step function is just one tool in the neural network toolbox. There are other, fancier functions for more complex tasks. It's like a light switch, it can only be on or off. Sometimes, there are shades of gray, and other functions are better for those situations. So, there you have it. The step function, a simple but powerful tool for helping neural networks learn to make decisions, one pixel at a time. Bonus tip. Think of the threshold as a picky eater. If the house looks good enough, x is big enough, they'll eat it, output 1. If not, they won't touch it, output 0. You can adjust the threshold like changing the picky eater's standards. I hope this makes the step function a little less mysterious for you. Remember, neural networks are all about learning and growing, and the step function is just one step on that exciting journey.